Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm going to give you a tour of en-suite room at True Student Liverpool. And if you also want to book this room, then the link is in the description box below for Amber Student. All you need to do is click there and you will be redirected to their website. And once you fill in your contact details, the Amber Student team will contact you within 24 hours and they'll help you to book the room. And now let's start the video without wasting any time.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to